Ay! Ang ganda ng ano, oh. Ang ganda ng garden. Ayan, pababa po kami. Pupunta daw kami sa may, ano, sa may barko. Sa lumang barko. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, ito yung manet entrance nan sa fitness. Ayan. Ayan, fireboat. Grantham. Ayan, ito na po ang way natin. Papasok. Ala, bakit may ano doon? May checkpoint. Hello!
It was converted from a fire engine that had been in service for 19 years. It initially was... This is the first... Alex Grantham.
Para ma-save.
He also is the
Ayan, metal helmet worn by Hong Kong firefighters late 19th century. Yan. 1907 fireboat model 145 completed 1907. This fireboat was constructed by the Hong Kong and Whampoa Dock Company. The construction of this model is based on the oldest surviving fireboat plant in Hong Kong. Yan ang history ng boat na ito. Ito naman ang kanilang award, guys. The annual motor pump competition championship shield donated in 1950 by the Chinese Insurance Association of Hong Kong. The names of the fighters who won the competition from 1950 to 1953 are engraved to this shield. Ayan po yung shield nila. Ito po yung side ng ano, barko. Fireboat. Ito naman ang ano, history of the Alexander Grantham International flags. Yan. The international signal flags are used to identify a ship by its international call sign, a kind of code name. The Alexander Graham's international call sign was VRQN. These four flags represent the four letters and would be hung vertically from the forward mast. Model of the fireboat Alexander Graham. This model shows the pre-1970s Alexander Grahams. The boat was refitted several times after that time. The compass on the ceiling of the wheelhouse was replaced by a radar equipment, while the boat crane at the stern was changed from manual to electric. The units marked on the boat's waterline were also changed from the imperial of the metric system. Ayan ang history po ng Alexander Graham's fireboat. Fireboat Alexander Graham. Yan po, 1953 po siya. Ayan yung helmet. Ito ang fire helmet worn by firemen during the firefighting and the rescue of Operation 1970s. Yan. Ito ang mga swords. Ay, wasay pala. Axe. Sorry. These are the rescue tools by firefighters. 2 kg hammer. Ayan, 2 kg hammer, general cutter, and crowbar. Ayan po yung ginamit nila during the firefighters. Tools used by the firefighters: axe, large axe, pry axe, and hand saw. Yan. Ito po yung mga old models na mga gamit nila doon sa dito sa loob ng ano. Ayan. Ayan po ang breathing operation. Breathing operation. This part was of this equipment on board the Alexander Graham from the 1970s to the 1980s. The mask would allow fire personnel to work in environments lacking oxygen or full of toxic gases. Printed on the bag are the letters FBTAG, an abbreviation of Fireboat Alexander Graham. Ayan ang history ng breathing mask. Ito naman guys is Morse code signaling pump. Ayan. This old style communication instrument was used on the Alexander Grahams from the 1950s to 1960s. The crew of the fireboat used this signaling lamp to manually send Morse code signal to exchange messages. Printed to the wooden box are letters FBAJ, an abbreviation of Fireboat Alexander Graham. Yan ang history ng signaling lamp. Ayan, ito naman is mga diffusion nozzle, London style hand control branch, at saka revolving nozzle with 3 jets. Ayan, itong diffusion nozzle. After connecting this nozzle to a hose, fighters can shoot a fog spray to cool an overheated vessel's hull, the deck, as well as any goods stored in the hold. Ito namang London style hand control branch. After connecting the nozzle to a hose, firefighters can adjust it for an increased range or wider spray. Itong revolving nozzle with 3 jets connected to a fire hose during operation and powered by water pressure. The nozzle rotates on its own and shoots waters at different angles. It is used specifically in situations where it is difficult to get close to the source of the fire, the cabins, and on lower decks. Yan. (2022) Fireboat Elite. Ayan naman siya. Ayan, the history of this 2002 Fireboat Elite is remote controlled monitor on the Fireboat Elite. The Elite fitted with electronic automatic firefighting system. Of its 8 monitors, 4 can be remotely controlled and can discharge water or foam. Firefighters can simply touch the computer screen inside the wheelhouse to activate the control, which have a range of up to 150 meters. Ayan po ang history ng fireboat. Ayan mga fire helmet models with rank markings. Yan po. Ayan ang mga iba't ibang klase ng kanilang helmets. Ayan.